Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today I am going to show how to draw a beautiful bird sitting in a tree. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's draw the tree trunk. Start by sketching a vertical line in the middle of your paper. This will be the main trunk of the tree. Then add a few branches extending out from the trunk. Make sure the branches are slightly curved to give them a natural look. Now let's add some details to the tree. Draw some smaller branches extending from the main branches. Don't worry about making them perfect. Trees are naturally irregular. Next, add some texture to the trunk by drawing some lines and knots. Next, let's draw the bird. Start with a small oval shape for the bird's body sitting on one of the branches. Then add a circle on top of the oval for the bird's head. Draw a small beak extending from the head. Now let's add some detail to the bird. Draw two small circles for the eyes and a tiny dot inside each circle for the pupils. Next, sketch the wings by drawing curved lines extending from the body. Don't forget to add some feathers to the wings and tail for a more realistic look. Now let's add some leaves to our tree. Draw clusters of leaves around the branches, making sure to vary their sizes and shapes. This will make the tree look more natural and lively. Finally, let's add some final touches to our drawing. Go over your sketch with a darker pencil or pen to outline the bird and the tree. Erase any unnecessary line and add some shading to give your drawing more depth and dimension. And there you have it, a beautiful bird sitting in a tree. I hope you enjoyed this drawing tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Artistic Adventures by Rosie for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.